Hi, welcome to the channel. If you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Uchenna. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 websites where you can get free video editing assets that you can use for your projects. The best part is that all the assets gotten from this website are all copyright free. So without wasting much time, let's get to it. The first website on the list is Miskit. Miskit has a wide range of video assets that you can download and use for your project, ranging from video, music, sound effects, and other templates for Premiere Pro, After Effects, Final Cut Pro, DaVinci Resolve. All you need to do is to search for whatever assets you're looking for, be it video, music, sound effects, templates, icons, then you will find them here. Many of their video editing assets are actually free, but they also have the paid ones. So after trying the free ones, if you love what you got, you may also consider subscribing to their paid ones. But I will tell you that the free ones are actually good because they have everything, virtually everything you're looking for. Be it presets, lower thoughts, and all of it, you can find it here. The next one is Pixabay. Pixabay also has wide range of stock photos, videos, sound effects, and music that you can use for your project. All you have to do here is also to type in whatever thing you're looking for. Once you type it in, you will see it. You can also go through these tabs, like once you click on sound effects, it will open up all the available sound effects that you can download and use for your project. As you can see, there are tons of them. Besides sound effects, you can see music. There are tons of music you can also download and use for your project. Here are videos. So just name it, whatever thing you're looking for, background, all of it, they're available for you to get. The next one is free sound. As the name implies, this is where you get free sound for your video projects. They have a wide range of them that you can also download and use. You know that good sound design distinguishes a rookie editor from a professional one. So if you want to spice up your edit, that simply means you need good music. So you can find a whole lot of them here on freesound.org. The next one is Yen Mimi. This particular one has a wide range of Mimi that you can download and also use to spice up your edits. All you have to do is to search on the search bar what Mimi you're looking for. For example, if you're looking for surprise ones, just type it in and you have a lot of it. Surprise! See, there's just a wide range of them that you can actually download and use for yourself. Just go through it, look at the ones that actually matches the project you're working on, and you download and use. So on the list is Motion Array. Motion Array also has a wide range of assets that you can download. They have motion graphics, they have presets, they have video templates, they have footage, music, sound effect, graphics, photo, plugins, name it. They have the paid and the free ones as well. So all you have to do is to look through the royalty free ones and download them and use for your project. The reason why I'm sharing 7 of them is because you can actually get from here and get from here and get from. Before you know it, you have a rich library of assets that you can always run back to whenever you're working on a project. The next one is Cinepark. Just like Motion Array, you also have a wide range of editing assets that you can download and use both for Premiere Pro and After Effects, DaVinci Resolve. They have all of it, but the thing is they have the ones that are free to use and they also have the paid ones. I'm not affiliated to any of the websites. I am just reviewing them because I have found them useful over the years. So that is why I decided to share it with some other persons who might be interested in them. The next one is Font Square. So on this site you have a wide range of fonts that you can download and add those stunning subtitles and headings on your videos. So all you just have to do is to scroll through it, look for the ones that matches your style of edit and your brand or your client brand and download and use them. All you have to do is to click on this download OTF. Once you click on it, you're good to go. So these are the 7 places that you can get free video editing assets to use in your next video. Do well to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you found this video helpful. It's a way of encouraging me and supporting me to keep researching and providing you with value. Thank you for watching.